And more pilgrims are coming from Italy, I would say. So here, let's check it out. No, Poland. It's an Italian bus bought by a Polish company, I guess. And I take you now to the outer parts of Medjugorje. Let's do that together. But you see a bit what is going out outside of Medjugorje. Oh, that's good exercise for me. And we keep on going. I need to repair my bike, and we are going together to the bike shop. You as pilgrims may not know this area, because when you as a pilgrim come here, normally you don't go out this way. The state centered around the church, the mountains, as it's not so much time. But I love to show you a bit what is outside. There's this super good restaurant called Fili. It's fantastic. It's a Catholic owner. He closes on Sunday. And the quality and price is amazing of the food, you know. Just so beautiful. Take a taxi, ask for Fili, and enjoy the food. Look already how many people there are. Enjoy the food, the local food. They have like huge meat plates which you can share. That's a typical thing here in Herzegovina, with different meats. Try it out, it's just beautiful. That is the commercial center of Medjugorje called Malisic. If you have problems with your mobile phone, it's a huge commercial center. There's a mobile shop where I bought my phone. Very nice people, good service. If you have problems with your car, this company Auto Matzke over there, it's good. And there's the petrol station of Medjugorje. One of them, there are two as far as I know. And now we're getting in the outskirts of Medjugorje and getting to the bike shop. If you have bikes to repair the bikes, I will show you now where to go. It's a super team, price is very good and a super service. It's called Dost. You see it over there on the sign already. And I will go there now. You see Dost? It's up the road here. There's a nice coffee shop here in bars where you can have a nice cappuccino, and they have clothes. It's a huge shop for nice clothes, men and women. And we are coming closer to the bike shop. Which is over here. Dost. You can go enter and ask or drive directly in the back over here. I go my service bike, it's here, and we'll ask if they can do the brakes, renew the brakes of the bike. And I leave you with this view on the bike shop. And you can also buy beautiful bikes here in this shop called Dost Bike Center. Yeah, come up and I filmed. You know how to get there now. And let's keep on going. And you hear the brakes are working. It's fantastic. No more sound. You don't hear the click anymore. I'm just very happy. They make good prices, good service. Come to Bike Center Dost. So. And next to the bike center there is a coffee shop, which is over there. In here. And you go further down the road and there is another shopping mall, a big shopping mall. I will show you that one as well. We're already up here, so let's go there. So there's a coffee shop and bars. They have super clothes for men. and women, so, you know, it's huge inside. And the